My name is Ericka and I'm the BMW genius here at Sharp, and I'm here to show you the new 2023 fully electric iX. The new iX is equipped with a new operating system called XDrive50. It is a nice curved display, as you can see here, with a 14.9-inch infotainment center and a 12.9-inch digital cluster here. And it also has Apple Carplay and Android Auto standard on it as well. This is the all-new center console for the BMW iX. Your start button will be at the top here. This is the new gear shifter. Kind of the same thing you would do to shift the other vehicles. There's just no button anymore, so drive would be backwards, reverse would be forward, and neutral would be whichever way, depending on what mode you're in. You've got your buttons up at the top here. You have media, telephone, navigation, and the home button will always take you back to your home screen. The dial has a new look as well. It is clear, but same functionalities as previous BMWs. Your volume adjuster will be here. This button right here will be your driving settings, so to change any driver's assistance features, you can change that with that button there. And then to get to your different driving modes, it will now be the new My Modes button, and that is how you can change to the different driving modes depending on how you would like to drive the vehicle. This single-piece transparent glass roof spans the entire interior without any cross struts to break it up. It is also the largest glass roof ever fitted in a BMW model. The roof features PDLC, polymer dispersed liquid crystal technology for shading the interior. Okay. We have 3 available units in stock. Come test drive one today.